Okay.
Good day, sir. I am Kia Rose Bernales.
I am Renalyn Magbano.
Today we're going to present about 5G.
5G is a fifth generation mobile network. It is a new global wireless standards after 1G, 2G, 3G, and 4G networks. 5G enables a new kind of network that is designed to connect virtually everyone and everything together, including machines, objects, and devices. 5G wireless technology is meant to deliver higher multi-graph, fixed data speeds, ultra-low latency, more reliability, massive network capacity, increased availability, and more uniform user experience to more users, higher performance and improved efficiency, empower new users experience, and connects new industries. 5G wireless technology is meant to deliver higher multi-graph fixed data speeds, ultra-low latency, more reliability, massive network capability, increased availability, and more uniform user experience, and more user higher performance, and improved efficiency, empower new user experience, and connect to the new industry. 5G technology is expected to reduce latency to less than 1 millisecond, which is significantly faster than 4G technology. As a result, lot of devices will be able to communicate in real time with the other, allowing for faster decision and more efficiency operations.
Top 5G companies leading the research are Samsung, Huawei, Nokia, LG, Ericsson, and Qualcomm. There are other players that are providing 5G solution to industries and individuals. Samsung Electronics, South Korea. Samsung started researching 5G technology in 2011. In 2013, Samsung successfully developed the world's first adaptive array transceiver technology operating in the millimeter wave Ka-bands for cellular communication. The technology sits at the core of the 5G mobile communication system and provides data transmission several hundred times faster than current 4G networks. The company has achieved a lot in the next generation of technology and can now be considered one of the leaders in the 5G domain. LG, South Korea. LG has been among the top 5 players in research activities, products, and even patent analytics. In 2019, Bloomberg cited the 5G era as the era of LG as the company managed to ship more than 100K 5G smartphones in the Korean market. The Korean company has been researching 5G for quite some time and has built a reputation by getting published in many 5G related reports. LG has a few companies like Samsung and Huawei that do not just deploy 5G network but also build production. Too much will utilize the 5G networks. That's all. Thank you.